Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flora. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I blend my Ogbono seeds. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. So guys, what you want to first do is to pick out the good ones from the bad ones, just to make sure that you're not going to blend stone with your Ogbono seeds. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm just picking out the good ones and leaving out the bad ones, basically. Yeah, so please just make sure you do that so that you're careful. And up next, I get my blender. Guys, the kind of blender I have is this kind of blender that you can like separate it, so that way I'm able to wash it properly, because I use this blender for other things like fruit, tomatoes and that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm drying it, because this thing I'm about to blend, I don't want it to mix with water. So I'm drying it properly with a paper towel, just to make sure that it's dried, and when I'm blending it's going to be an easy process. And then I screw this back on, and yeah, up next I'm going to grab the Ogbono seeds and I'm putting in little quantities. What you don't want to do is to put everything at once. I say just put in little quantities. It's easier that way, because if you don't, it might be a bit of a difficult situation, basically. So that's all I have left, and that's what I have in the pan. Up next, you start to blend. This process is very, very noisy. And guys, can I say, not anyhow blender can do this job. It has to be a good quality blender. It shouldn't be a blender that you just got in for like £10 at Superstore or £15, because honestly, it would not work. It has to be a good make. This is the second time I'm blending, and now is the third time that I'm blending it, and this is the fourth time that I'm blending it. You don't have to blend it 4 times, but I like to do my things in batches, not in batches, but in like sections. So blend, stop, blend, stop, blend, stop again, just so that my blender is not suffering. So you guys are going to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Now, can you see how sticky it is inside? That's why I said it has to be dry, because if there was any water in there, it would even be more stickier than what it is right now. So I get my fork and I'm just trying to get the residue out of the blender so I can pour it into my bowl, as you can see on the screen. So I do that, and then you guys, this is what this is looking like at the moment. So I've literally gone from seed to blended Ogbono seeds. So I'm just trying to feel it with my hands to see the ones that are, if it was properly blended. And most of it was properly blended. However, there were some that were like still hard. So what I decided to do is to sieve it. Now, you don't have to filter it. If you're the kind of person that you don't mind like little Ogbono seeds here and there, you don't have to filter it. But me, I'm just obsessed. I'm sure even the ones I buy from the market are not even as filtered as the one that I just filtered. Like my Ogbono is always like proper filtered. I don't really know why. It's not like a thing that you have to do, but I just do that. And this one that is left right now in the sieve, I'm going to blend it again when next I'm cooking. So that's basically how I do it, because some of what's in there is not dirt, it's still Ogbono. It just needs to be blended further. So yeah, guys, yeah, your Ogbono is all ready to be cooked. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Hey, let me hear you say yeah.